Our blue planet is facing a real water crisis. Many of us take clean water for granted. But we should not. Billions of people still have no access to clean water or decent sanitation, and millions of people are getting sick and dying from water-related diseases. This daily challenge also hinders economic development and escape from poverty. The world's population is massively growing, and so is the need for water, food, and energy, as well as the necessary infrastructure to bring the water to the people. In about 40 years from now, there will be more than 9 billion people living on the planet, mainly in big cities. In addition, in many countries, water resources are at risk of depletion in some places, at risk of pollution in others. Climate change is putting additional pressure on our planet's ecosystem. Soon, water may not be available when and where we need it. Too little water here, too much over there. But unlike energy, we cannot magically produce more water. We have to manage with the resource we have. We need to find solutions for how to bring water and sanitation to millions of people. Solutions for how to better manage and preserve our limited water resources. And solutions for how to use these resources more efficiently. Business can and needs to be part of the solution. This is why Borealis and Borouge established a program called Water for the World. With Water for the World, we provide products and solutions that improve access to water and sanitation. Water for the World also leverages know-how and promotes best practices to better use and manage water resources. And we roll out awareness campaigns to initiate changes in behaviour and practices among our employees, communities, customers and industry. Together with local partners and NGOs, Water for the World has already implemented water access projects in many countries of the world, like in India, Pakistan, Nepal, Vietnam and China. In Malkapur, India, for example, a new plastic pipe network has been installed, providing 3,000 homes with a continuous supply of fresh water on tap 7 days a week. In the Hanoi Children's Hospital, patients only had limited access to water, and it was dirty. These children can now enjoy clean drinking water from one of the 28 new facilities around the hospital, supporting their chances of a successful recovery. And sometimes, very simple ideas can make a big difference, like X-Runner, a smart mobile toilet design that could present a nimble solution for millions of people who today face a lack of privacy, dignity, and hygiene. We found this a great idea and decided to support it. The world's population and urbanization is growing fast and needs a sound infrastructure. But in many cities, water networks are old and can lose up to half of their water supply through leaks and cracks. Our plastic pipe solutions ensure leak-free water transport for many generations to come. Around 70% of the planet's fresh water is used in agriculture for food production, but unsustainable irrigation techniques often lead to an unnecessary waste of water. We work with farmers and industry to analyze how to best prevent excessive water waste, and we promote and support the use of sustainable irrigation techniques. Industry must also ensure sustainable water management, and we have started doing so. We were the first in our industry to assess the water footprint of our production, and we helped to develop a water stewardship standard for industries. Together with partners and local communities, we are also engaged in a variety of initiatives to preserve the local ecosystem. For example, we support the Waste-Free Oceans initiative, which aims at cleaning the European coastline from waste. We are partners of the Business Friends of the Danube, an initiative to protect the resources and ecosystems of Europe's second largest river, the Danube. And in Finland, we support the River Janitors project that seeks to revitalize the natural fish sources in several regional rivers. And in the UAE, we partnered the Emirates Foundation, supporting their groundwater sustainability research. So, solutions to the global water crisis do exist, but is awareness there? After all, you can only help solve a problem if you know that it exists. This is why Water for the World also aims at creating awareness through information and education campaigns to initiate changes in behaviour and practices among our employees, our communities, customers, industry partners, and beyond. We therefore also engage in awareness raising. We co-sponsor the Stockholm World Water Prize, the Nobel Prize for Water. We organised an exhibition that travelled across all our production sites to raise awareness among our employees and communities. And for school kids, we have developed a web platform that shows them how they can preserve water and avoid water pollution. Water for the World started in 2007, and after 3 years helped to bring clean, fresh water to more than 250,000 people. And today it's even more. So we are part of the solution, but this is only the beginning. There's so much more to do. Therefore, Water for the World is teaming up with partners like Water and Sanitation for the Urban Poor, an organisation that is working hard to improve the situation of the poorest communities in urban areas. Currently, their efforts are bringing clean water supplies to 1,000 people each day. Together, we can help bring water and sanitation to those in need. Together, we can protect one of our most precious resources. Together, we can find smart solutions and make them happen.